What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the madness. Today you're getting Sunday's axe tip, you're going right on the guillotine block. So I'm expecting that this video is going to go kind of like this. Alright, so 1, we're going to be demonstrating this Magnus Ballin preset. And then, number 2, which we're going to be going into the Axe Edit Controllers tab and showing you all about that, where it relates to. Number 3, we're going to be messing around with the Axe Edit AxeChaNgE. And then number 4, we're going to be showing you what this is used for and why it's pretty cool. And then we're going to get out of here. Right on? Let's start it up. Alright, so now we're going to get into the modifiers tab, right? In order to get there, you go up here, click this button, it shows you the modifiers. Another way to do that is to go right here, click controllers, got rid of it. So, we're in the controllers tab, we've got tempo, pitch, LFO 1 and 2, ADSR, sequencer, envelope manual, and a bunch of other things, right? That maybe aren't connected straight to the modifiers. So, as you can see in the controllers tab, modifiers right here are being used. So you can see LFO 1A, and the sequencer are being used within the chorus and within the control run within the chorus. Alright, so I'll show you what's going on there. So if you click on the chorus block right now, it's kind of doing this weird pattern, right? 0.202, and then it's kind of just running through this at what seems like a very strange rate, right? So what's going on here? What's going on here is when I click on this, I've got the sequencer controlling how fast it's going up here, right? But the sequencer, right, is actually being controlled right here at the run and pause by an LFO. So this is the sequence right now I've got set up. It's going 15, 33, that's why you see it stepping up slowly. And then it goes back down, stepping down pretty quick. And the run, if I go to edit modifier, is being controlled by this LFO, which is traveling rather slowly. And you can see how slowly, because if you go to LFO 1 and 2, it's traveling at 0.1 hertz. So that's what's going on here, is we've got this chorus rate determined by a sequencer, which the sequencer is on and off at a rate of 0.1 hertz. So that's kind of a little way that you can be tricky with how you control your parameters. And then now the third part of this video, is the AxeChaNgE. Alright, so let's check out the AxeChaNgE. If you go to Tools, you go to AxeChaNgE, this will pop up, right? And if you want, you can search up a particular person and you can type in the name of their preset or their artist or whatever, their author. You can type in music and madness, and this will bring up the preset that I've made. Go to audition, and now you can hear the sound of that preset. Then, if you don't want to do that, you could just type in search, go and take a look at any of these presets that people have made. You can go check out Les Tetos de Nico from En Desmarast. Let's try auditioning his out, see what it sounds like. Pretty cool. Let's try out one more just for the sake of it. Let's try out this. So as you can see, you can really kind of get a lot of different tones that maybe you wouldn't have thought about just from going in here and checking it out, auditioning some stuff. And if you want, you can save it just by clicking save. Now, if I go back to Magnus Ballin, that's the one I made before. We go back up to Modified Band Commander. We can start auditioning things. So within here, it's really useful. You can save it to your disk. You can save it to the device, which is pretty much the same thing as save. But you can just get a good idea of what's out there, right? In order to upload, though, I believe you have to go to the website and upload this. And then you can go look up your favorite uploaders straight from here. It's nice. And then you've got cabs and presets within here. So you can download cabinets that people have already simulated for you. So really nice stuff, guys. Just figured I'd let you know. It's pretty useful. But I guess what I really want to do is apply both of what I just learned to our, just general tinkering, right? So let's go ahead and go back to AxeChaNgE. Comes up right here. So now let's see, I just want to go and find something interesting. I want to see a delay. So I'm going to type in delay. And we're going to see, let's see, rack delay testing, experimental. Let's audition this sucker, right? Now if we go to controllers and we go to modifiers, we can see nothing crazy is going on here with modifiers, right? All we can see is he's got a lot of stuff. Got clean, we've got chorus, we've got drive, we've got dirt phase. We got a lot of things. But sometimes you just want to do your own thing. Sometimes you want to add your own modifier. So let's go ahead and do that. So now I got my guitar again. So within this 2290 with modulation, I'm going to fluctuate the rate, and I'm going to use an LFO to do it. And right now, we know that LFO1 is being tinkered with, so it's at 1 hertz. Let's change that down to 0.5. And then we go back in here, we see it's fluctuating between how long it's delaying. All right, so now you can see how to use your controllers tab, how to use the AxeChaNgE within AxeEdit, and utilize them both at the same time to really bring your inspiration to make new tones up to the next level. So if you got something out of this, like and subscribe. It is free. However, do whatever floats your boat. But you know how I am. I'll always be catching you on the flippy floppy, y'all. Ciao for now.